Hey everyone, today I was going to talk about some valve covers I just got from Southwest Performance Parts. Decided I wanted to upgrade the look of my LS3 motor. It's a 2014 LS3. Really dress it up, make it look a little nicer. For those that are familiar with the GM LS platform, you know it comes with kind of a plain gray cast valve cover. They use a metal bracket to mount the ignition coils on the top. Overall, it's just not the best looking package as far as that goes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upgrade to a set of the polished ones. Again, I got these from Southwest Performance. It's a nice heavy casting, obviously much better appearance, polished aluminum finish. They do come with all the hardware for mounting, so it's got the bolts and the seals. They go right down the center and seal up. They also come with new gaskets to go along with those. And then your coils, your stock coils, will bolt right up to the top, right over the bosses, just like they were kind of a factory fit. So it keeps everything nice and clean, but again, just dresses up that appearance and makes it look nice. They also have a baffle on the inside for your PCV or your ventilation for the car. And then they also come with a polished cap also for the oil fill on the one side as well. The last thing that they do come with, which I wasn't even aware of when I ordered, is actually an offset bracket. So if you have your brake booster on your driver's side, it's really close to your valve cover in your application. This actually allows you to shift that coil back over just a little bit more to give you just a little more clearance to that brake booster. So kind of a nice add-on. I didn't realize actually came in the kit. Again, set of polished valve covers from Southwest Performance. Can't wait to get them on the motor and what they look like on the motor when I get them all wrapped up.